are you creating an experience that is worth talking about? How do I get more clients? This is a question that a lot of photographers I know are asking themselves. Most of my photography clients come from word of mouth, 42% to be exact. The others have come from Instagram or from a connection I made at an event, but majority have been through that word of mouth. I am a testament that word of mouth is the most powerful way you can leverage bringing in more clients, and I'm going to dive into what you can do to increase your word of mouth game. All right, so first of all, what exactly is word of mouth? Word of mouth is the passing of information from one person to another, or in other words, basically establishing something that is worth talking about. So, are you creating things? Are you creating an experience that is worth talking about? I try to ensure that I create the best client experience that makes me worth talking about. This is all rooted in client experience. So, let's go ahead and get into 3 questions that you should ask yourself to see if you are worth talking about. Go ahead and get comfortable because this might make you a little uncomfortable, but it will help you create a better experience for your clients so they'll be willing to share your information with others so you can be more booked. Are you ready? All right, let's go. All right, so number 1, did you make the client feel good? So you should ask yourself, did I make that client feel good? Y'all know that saying by Maya Angelou, people may forget what you say or what you do, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. Yes, how we make people feel is an extremely important factor when they're considering sharing our information with others. You could be the best photographer in the world, but if you have a not so likable personality or a vibe that just doesn't sit right with the client, they would rather go with another option. Think about it. Have you ever been stuck between 2 options? What was the deciding factor? What helped you make your final decision? You should put yourself in the customer's shoes, in the client's shoes, and that will help you understand how you need to approach them in order to make them feel comfortable sharing your information with others so you can get more money. All right. Number 2, were you personable? Did you view the client as a person rather than a money bag? Did you take your time to understand their needs? Were you truly providing customer service to this client? All right. Y'all gotta understand that yes, this is a business, but we are dealing with people. All right. When you're dealing with people, you need to come correct. You need to come with respect. You need to make sure that you're fully understanding their needs. All right. These are emotional beings too. All right. You make that emotional connection. You know, keep it professional. But yes, you make that emotional connection, that human connection with others. That's really gonna help people remember you. So yeah, make sure that you're being personable. You're not just going into your shoots, bossing people around or just acting like, you don't care about them. No, get a little comfortable, all right? The client experience, again, is extremely important into making people remember you and want to share your services with other people. Number 3, was the experience smooth? Was the client able to easily book your services, or did they have to exchange a million emails? Were your terms clear? Did they know exactly what they were getting into? Did they have an easy experience? All right. It is so important that we make things easy for our clients. All right. They come to us because we are the experts. We should, know exactly what to do, get them in and out and satisfied with whatever they're purchasing from you. So keep that in mind, all right? Making your process easier for your clients is also going to save you a lot of headache, all right? Thank me later. And actually, I had 4 points. Number 4, did you deliver or over-deliver what the client expected? At the end of the day, the client came to you. Yes, you. For your expertise, your skill set. Did you uphold what you were supposed to deliver? All right? Because at the end of the day, they want that product that, they sought after. All right, make sure that you are delivering exactly what that client was looking for. So let me recap. These are the 4 things that you need in order to increase your word of mouth, to level up your word of mouth game so you can get more client referrals. Number 1, how did you make them feel? Number 2, were you personable? Number 3, was the experience smooth? And number 4, did you deliver what they wanted? All right. So go ahead, make sure you keep these things in mind, practice them, and let me know how it goes. All right. It's going to take time to really build that reputation for yourself if you haven't already. But yeah, just make sure that every single client experience lives up to these keys that I just discussed. All right. Even if you are doing a collaboration or a partnership, something that necessarily isn't paid or, a technical gig, still exceed those expectations. Make it a memorable experience. All right. If you agree to do something, you still need to uphold whatever that is as if you were working for $1 billion company or whatever. All right. So please make sure that you subscribe, you like this if you enjoyed it and took something away from it, and I will see you next time.